With Pictory AI, you can quickly and easily create high-quality videos. In this video, I'll show you how to save a lot of money with my lifetime Pictory discount code. When you apply this code, you'll continually get 20% off of any Pictory plan forever. This 20% code works on any subscription level, and it doesn't matter if you choose monthly or annual plans. This discount will even be automatically applied whenever your plan renews. Let me show you exactly how to use this coupon code. First, click the link in the description below. That will bring you to this screen where you can click this button and start a free trial. Then enter your name, email, and a password. No credit card is required for this step. Pictory will send a verification code to your email address. Once you enter the verification code, you'll see this page, and in the upper left corner, you'll see that your free trial has been activated. To apply the code, click the upgrade button, and then you'll see these different subscription plans. These are the annual plans at the time of this recording, but there are also monthly plans for just a few dollars more. All of the plans give you access to Storyblocks, one of the top video asset libraries on the market today. Normally, Storyblocks costs around $30 per month, so the Pictory starter plan at $19 per month is a great deal. And when you enter the coupon code, you get 20% off that price forever. But what if you want to create even more videos, plus go beyond the standard AI voices and get hyper-realistic voices from 11 Labs? In that case, you might want to choose the professional plan by hitting this button. Once you get to the checkout page, you'll see the words Apply Coupon. Click Apply Coupon, type my coupon code Kimberly20, and hit Apply. Instantly, you'll see the discount applied for a savings of over $93. And remember, this is a forever discount. In other words, you'll automatically continue getting 20% off whenever the plan renews. Pictory includes high-quality AI voice narration, subtitles and captions, and the ability to instantly resize your content for YouTube, vertical shorts, and other social media platforms. Plus, you'll gain access to a massive number of video clips that you can use royalty-free. So click the link in the description below and use the code Kimberly20 when you check out.